Hey friends, I am back with another review. We put this in our office and I cannot tell you how happy I am with this light. I took this video in the morning so that you can see it off and its natural beauty just shines. These globes came so neatly packaged. They came with white gloves for installation. The gold on it is absolutely stunning. It didn't have one blemish on it and it went installed so easy. We did it ourselves. The milk glass has such a soft feel to it and they look absolutely gorgeous when you turn them on, and they create really good light in the room. It was incredibly easy to put it together and set it all up. Everybody that has come over has complimented us on this brand new chandelier that we got in here, and it just makes our office look complete. We are so thrilled with this chandelier. We're probably going to be ordering another one from this company because of the quality of it and the ease of installation.